Hello, and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Developers. My name's Dan, and today I'm joined by another one of our Code 100 Amsterdam challengers. Edward, lovely to meet you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you very much for joining me. So, to start us off, if you could, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So, my name is Edward. I'm 19 years old. I'm from Ukraine. Now I live in Munich. I study computer science. I do my third year at Taras Shevchenko National University of Kiev, and I'm a very big fan of Flutter and Dart.
So, being a third year student and signing up to Code 100 Amsterdam, what was it that motivated you to sign up as one of the challengers?
I don't know. That's a tough question. I mean, recently I started to do some coding challenges like hackathons, like tech quizzes or so, and I was really hyped to do some challenge, like not in Germany but in other country, for example, the Netherlands. And for me, this is the first non-student coding challenge, and it's also first solo coding challenge because in other cases I could rely on my team and teamwork. Now I'm all by myself and can prove to me that I'm also worthy to do some challenges alone.
So, which languages do you prefer to work with?
Well, basically, I prefer to work with Java, with Swift, with Dart and Kotlin. So the mobile development related languages, because that's my motto. That's what I like.
And which one do you think you'll be bringing to Code 100 Amsterdam?
I guess I'm gonna use Dart as my main languages. I'm more than 100% sure that I'm gonna be the first Code 100 challenger that will use Dart because it's not really as popular as Python or C++, you know.
So, going into the Code 100 Amsterdam environment, the big stage, all of the lights, the crowd, how do you think you'll deal with that pressure?
I don't really think that this is gonna be a problem for me at all because it was the same way in, I mean, basically the same way in Google Solution Challenge Ideathon. It was like in the middle January or so. So I'm hyped to do some stuff like this.
So, would you say you're quite a competitive person outside of Code 100 hackathons and coding challenges?
Yeah, definitely. I really like to put myself in some kind of stressful and situations like challenges, like competitions, and so definitely I'm the right person for this one.
So, Edward, you might have seen some of the other challenges you'll be competing against at Code 100 Amsterdam, all different ages, backgrounds, and levels of experience. How do you think you'll deal with that going head to head with other developers?
Well, I guess this is going to be a really challenge for me because I'm going to be competing against Booking.com software engineers. I'm going to be competing against startup founders and so on. And I'm basically an unemployed computer science student. And this is going to be fun. So I guess there's only 2 or 3 students right now. So this is going to be fun.
Edward, let's say that you've gone all the way through Code 100 Amsterdam as the winner or the runner up, and then you've gone to the grand final at the World Congress and you've won that as well. What would you do with all that money? And second of all, what would the future look like beyond that point?
Well, I guess the first question isn't right because the right question is what would the German tax system do with all my money, not me. Uh, but I guess I want to buy double monitors for myself because it's really annoying to use only one, and buy some educational stuff like I don't know, Udemy courses, and so I really like to invest in myself.
So I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people watching this that are going to get behind you either now or on the day, February the 29th in Amsterdam. Best of luck, Edward. We'll see you then.
Thank you again. See you in Amsterdam.